The image file and the picking list are now loaded. We know from the screen here that we have 20 spots to pick. And I filled 20 position of the microtiter plate with 250 microliters water in order to put the plug directly in it. Okay, now I will position the gel on the picker. The first thing to do is to take the gel and try to put one marker. I usually use the top left marker. I try to align parallelly the others. Leave the gel like that. If it's a glass plate, you do exactly the same. In this case, my gel is on a plastic sheet. It's a flatbed from Serva. It doesn't make any difference if you use a glass plate. I will later on show you how to fix the gel on the glass plate, but we will try to align first. Thus, using the corner or using the two sides, bottom and right, we can adjust the size of the image to fit perfectly on the marker on the gel. Yes, okay, now I need also a bit to move the image because in once it's not always done. Okay, maybe the gel is not exactly parallel. I need to, from the bottom, just a bit to the bottom, from the right. Yes. No, the gel is not perfectly aligned. Yes, now it's perfect. The image. This is the most difficult part, I would say, is just to make sure that the image fits perfectly the marker of the gel. This is absolutely exact for me. Now I lock the image. Locking the image means that I can move it around. It will always go back to the right position. I will now show you that you can see that the gel is perfectly aligned because I use a gel which is already stained. Thus we can see that the image and the stained spot are exactly at the same place. Just a second. I will start with the marker. You see from the bottom right marker it's aligned. The top right marker is aligned and the top left is aligned. And then if we look at the spots, they are perfectly upon each other. Of course, there is a parallax effect. You see then if I go from left to right or bottom, you see the blue spot and the black spot at the same time. When they are perfectly aligned, they are exactly upon each other.